Hello dear children, welcome again to my class. Well children, today we will be completing the third part of the chapter Harris in the Maze. We have completed chapter part 1 and part 2 of this chapter. So we know that Harris is the person who is with the people in the maze. He himself have told many of the people who were stuck in the maze. He himself created a confidence level in the people. Then in the first part, his confidence level was shown on the height. In the second part, we came to know that his popularity became very down because people started knowing that he is just bluffing. One of the lady, she called him what? An imposter, that is fraud. Now these people, they rectified the things again. They tried doing that. They consulted the map for the third time, and then for the third time also they failed. Okay, now what happened? Let's read. They all got crazy at last. Who they? That is the people along with Harris. Okay, why they got crazy? Because they were not able to get out from the maze, and sang out for the keeper. And the man came and climbed up the ladder outside and shouted out directions to them. So what happened was, these people, right, these people got crazy and they shouted for help. That is, they shouted for a help from the keeper, who was the keeper of the maze, that particular maze where these people along with Harris were stuck in. Okay, the keeper heard their voice and he came to help them. What he did, he climbed the ladder, okay, and he started to give the instructions to these people. Okay, but all their heads were by this time in such a confused whirl that they were incapable of grasping anything, and so the man told them to stop where they were and he would come out to them. But what happened was, these people shouted for help. Luckily that keeper heard their help, right? He heard that people want my help. He, with the courtesy, he tried to help them out. He climbed a ladder. Then he was uh, telling them the instruction of coming out of the maze. But what exactly happened was, these people, that is the people in the maze along with Harris, were so exhausted by what? By moving left, right, left, right, left, right. So they were so exhausted that they were not able to grasp, that is, they were not able to get that direction. Why they were exhausted? They were exhausted because from morning they were just roaming here and there, and they were just going left, right, left, right. In the maze they were going round and round, round and round, turning left, turning right, turning left, turning right, but they were not able to come out from the maze. So their head was doing what? Their head was uh, there was a whirlpool, you can say. There was a whirlpool of you can say emotions. There was a whirlpool of stress, depression, exhaust, and they were totally exhausted. Okay, they were tired, you can say. So they were not able to grasp that particular direction which was given by the keeper. So this keeper, he told them that, okay, fine, do one thing, stay wherever you are, I will come inside and then we will come outside. Okay, that is the keeper along with the people. Okay, so this person, the young person, he told them to wait wherever they were and he would come to them. Okay, they huddled together. Now here they huddled together. Huddled together means these people came together. Okay, right, they came close together and waited, and he climbed down and came in. So these people waited for this man. This man climbed down, that is, he came down from the ladder and he came inside the maze. Okay, he was a young keeper, as luck would have it, and new to the business. And when he got in, he couldn't find them, and he wandered about trying to get to them, and then he got lost. Now, see, this is the tragedy, a funny tragedy. What happened was, This keeper wanted to help these people, but this keeper himself was a new to this business. That is, he was a new keeper in the uh, this thing maze. Okay, so he was also confused with the direction, because these kinds of maze requires you can say an experienced person. Okay, an experienced person who know the direction of the exit. Entrance is very easy, but the exit was the toughest part. Okay, now he himself was new, and he got what? He got confused, and he also got lost. He was wandering here and there, but he was not able to get to where he wanted to go. That is, he was not able to go to the people. Those people were standing there. They were able, both of them, that is the new keeper, that is the young keeper, and the people who were waiting for him, both were able to listen to each other's shout, directions, voice, whatever, but they were not able to see each other. Okay, they caught sight of him looking round every now and then, rushing about the other side of the hedge, and he would see them and rush to get to them, and they would wait there for about 5 minutes. And then he would reappear again in exactly the same spot and ask them where they had been. Now, this young keeper also was confused in the maze. What he did was, suppose he was standing here, okay, and these people were standing here. Okay, so, and this is the maze. Okay, okay, so what happened was, he came here, then he came here, then he shouted. These people were able to see him, right? He was able to see them, but they were not able to cope up with the route, that is the direction of the route or the way between them. Again he came here, came here, came here, again he came here. Here also he was able to see them, they were able to see him, but yet they were not able to cope up with the path between them. Again he came here, then he came here, then he came here, but all this was happening, and he himself was wandering from year to year, then year till year till year till year. It was all like this going on, but neither him nor these people were able to meet each other. Okay, they were confused, even he was also confused. Okay, at last what happened was, he would reappear again in exactly the same spot and ask them where they had been. Now he would reappear on the spot where he had been exactly, and then finally he asked them, where you are? I'm not able to make out the direction. Okay, so this was the very big problem, now tragedy. Finally what happened was, they had to wait till one of the old keepers came back from his dinner before they got out. Now these people along with this young keeper had to wait for whom? For an old keeper to come and help them out to get from this maze. Why an old keeper? Because old keeper, as I told you, he might have been an experienced person. This old keepers, they were the experienced person. They knew the route from where to enter and from where to exit. So finally the old keepers came from their dinner, and then these old keepers, they helped them out. Whom? All these people along with this guy Harris, to come out from the maze. So I hope student, the lecture was clear and understood by you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you once again.